जुवारी इंडस्ट्रीजान कामावेल्यान काडून वडयल्ले सुमार 400 कामगारांक बेगिनात बेगीन परत कामार घेवचे अशी मागणी आयटकान केल्या। ते विशीं एक निवेदन तांणी मजूर आयुक्ताक दिला। हे प्रस्नाचेर चर्चा करपाक श्रममंत्री आवेर्तान फुर्तादान बुधवारा 26 तारखेर खासा बसका आपयल्या। हे सगळे कामगार कॉन्ट्रादाचेर कामाक आशिल्ले।
There are 400 workers who have been summarily, illegally, unjustifiedly thrown out of work, thrown out of jobs due to the illegal retrenchment done by the management of Zuari Agrochemicals Limited. Immediate intervention has been sought from the Commissioner Labour. We have met the Chief Minister, we have given him a memorandum, we have spoken to the Labour Minister, we have given him a memorandum, and we have told them that they should intervene.
Since the principal employer, that is Zuari Industries, had not attended, we have already fixed this matter on 26th at 3:30 p.m. before the Honorable Labour Minister. Intimation is already sent to the Zuari Industries. Others who were present, their all attendance has been recorded on the day, and 26th will be the next meeting.
धुळेर फुटबॉल ग्राउंडार सिंथेथीक टर्फाचो दर्जो बऱ्यापैकी आसा आनी थंय रोखड्योच आय लीग मॅची जातल्यो अशें जीएफएचो उपाध्यक्ष लाविनियो रिवेलो म्हणटा। आयतारा धुळेर ग्राउंडार चर्चिल ब्रदर्स आनी साळगांवकर फुटबॉल क्लबा मदीं प्रो लीग मॅच जाली। मॅची उपरांत दोनूय क्लबांनी हे टर्फाची तुस्त केली।
Beautiful. The grass is, I think, is the new generation.
I think so, Now it's better every team train more time because normally the team play in the grass, playing grass, in train grass. But I think give the team maybe 1 month for improve after every team. But this installation is very good.
Organization is good, ground is good, everything is good. But I think this stuff has to require more time to settle. If it is done, it will be perfect one. Because now see these moles, the small particles, they are all about 6 players are here, so many, and they got scratches because it has to settle. No, it is newly laid. So if it is there, I think another 2 weeks it will be perfect ground. Everything is good here, environment, crowd, everything is good.
सगळे ground पहिला Sikkim, Lajong, Calcutta also. This is a better ground. This grass is good.
Quality
of grass is good.
Actually, this is the first of its kind in Goa, this ground, and we are very happy
with the AIFF.
with AFF and
FIFA.
also grateful to FIFA.
Today was the first professional match played on this very own GFA ground and on this very turf that was sponsored to us by FIFA, and I am pleased that the teams were happy to play on this turf and they like the turf, but only it has to settle down since it's a new turf. The granules have been creating a little bit of problem to the players, but on the whole a beautiful turf. Next week we are having the I-Leagues played on this very ground, so proud moment for GFA.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो। इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.